Lesson 3. Level A2 to B1. Learn English through stories. Volume 1. The world's most unusual hotels. When most people choose their travel destination, they don't think of a hotel as the main attraction. In fact, many tourists are practical while looking for accommodation. It should be comfortable, located close to the beach or city center, and, of course, not too expensive. However, for those who are not that easily satisfied and are searching for something out of the ordinary, there are plenty of options. Here is a selection of some of the most unique hotels in the world. 1. Ice Hotel, Jakasjärvi, Sweden. As its name suggests, this Swedish hotel is made of ice. It was opened for the first time in 1990 and has been rebuilt from scratch by over 100 people every year since then. What is more, each room is individually designed by a different artist. The hotel is open to guests from December to April, and it is definitely one of the most popular tourist attractions in the country. Inside, there are over 100 rooms, a restaurant, and even a small church. Although most visitors don't stay there for more than 1 or 2 days at a time because of the extremely low temperature, many of them come back in the following years to experience its magic again. 2. Jules Undersea Lodge, Key Largo, Florida. Saying that Jules Undersea Lodge is a unique place to stay might not be enough. Located at the bottom of the Emerald Lagoon in Key Largo, Florida, it is the first and only underwater hotel in the United States. What really makes it different from any other undersea resort is the fact that scuba diving is the only way for the visitors to get to their rooms. This means that all the guests have to be certified divers. In each of the 2 bedrooms inside, there is a fridge, an air conditioner, a TV, a DVD player, and internet access. Visitors can also use the kitchen, take hot showers, watch the underwater world through the windows, and even order a pizza, which will be delivered straight to their door. 3. Giraffe Manor, Nairobi, Kenya. If you are an animal lover, this is the place for you. This hotel is part of a wildlife sanctuary, and it is home to a number of endangered giraffes. Most importantly, the animals do not live in cages, so guests can spot them wherever they look. The giraffes are actually very sociable and playful. They often join the visitors for breakfast and dinner or put necks through the windows, hoping to get a snack or 2. The hotel has 12 spacious bedrooms, and one of them is named after Karen Blixen, a famous writer who spent 17 years of her life in Kenya. During their stay at Giraffe Manor, the visitors can go on a safari and learn everything they want to know about African wildlife. The end of Lesson 3. This story is featured in this book, which includes 8 captivating stories in total. Each story comes with 16 engaging tasks designed to boost your vocabulary while sharpening your conversation and storytelling skills. Want to learn more? Check out the link in the description. Listen to the next story. Lesson 4. Picasso, the rescue pig that became a famous artist. Level A2 to B1. Learn English through stories. Volume 1.